à tous! Welcome to French with Love new quiz video. I'm Nazlı.
Hello everyone, I'm Benjamin. Today we will work on 3 new questions in French and we'll explain to you the answers.
As always, my husband Benjamin will ask you the questions in French. And right after each question, we will analyze the answers together in English.
You may think that these questions are easy, but starting from zero and working with us will help you to understand all the basics of French language and improve your French to native level. Our goal is to teach you French with a solid foundation and make you feel confident when speaking French. Don't forget, it's essential to build your confidence up by starting with some basic questions. By the way, if you want more difficult questions, you can contact us on our website. Je vais m'occuper de vous.
The languages we use in our videos are English and French. But soon we will also make some videos only in French. So you will hear a lot more French accent, which will play an important role in improving your listening and comprehension skills.
To progress faster in French, you can also be our VIP member and get access to our video lessons and ebooks on our website, or are accessible 24/7, so you can study whenever and wherever you want. And of course, we will always be here to help and support you.
If you have any questions about the VIP membership, please visit our website or reach us via email. So, if you are ready, let's start today's quiz.
Alors, c'est parti pour la première question. Veuillez compléter cette phrase. J'ai besoin d'un A. Accessoire. B. Boisson. C. Voiture. D. Maison. Vous avez 5 secondes.
So, the correct answer is A. Accessoire. As you can see, we use the article un before the missing word. Be careful, this is the hint. This means that we need to look for a masculine singular noun. Remember, un is the indefinite article that is used in front of masculine singular nouns. Only accessoire is the masculine singular noun among the given answers. All others are feminine singular.
Deuxième question. Complétez. Elle va au A. Maison. B. Opticien. C. Gymnase. D. Cuisine. Vous avez 5 secondes.
The correct answer is C. Elle va au gymnase. In French, to say that you are somewhere or you are going somewhere, you need to use the preposition a. Be careful, there might be some exceptions. Also, you have to know that the combination of a and le gives you o in French. In this question, we are looking for the missing word after o. So, since o is composed of a and le, the following noun must be masculine singular. Among the given answers, opticien and gymnase are the masculine singular nouns. But because opticien starts with a vowel, we can say le opticien. We have to say l'opticien to be grammatically correct. Let's remember the rule. When a French word ends in a vowel and the following word starts with a vowel, we generally drop the vowel at the end of the first word and combine 2 words with an apostrophe. Like in l'opticien. We cannot say le opticien. So, the correct answer is C. Gymnase. I know it may be difficult to understand everything in the beginning. That's why we have designed our courses considering the needs of new learners like me. In our books and videos, in each chapter you will gain new knowledge that will help you to better understand the next chapter and progress in French. We improve our French skills step by step with a brand new method. By becoming our VIP member, you can work with us at your own pace, and we will always be here to help you to improve your French and build your self-confidence.
Après ce très joli message, découvrons ensemble la troisième et dernière question. Quelle est la bonne orthographe? Les Dalmatiens. A. Les 101. B. Les 101. C. Les 101. Vous avez 5 secondes.
The correct answer is A. As you can see, most people couldn't find the correct answer. Maybe because they haven't watched our video on numbers in French yet. You can watch this video anytime for free on our website or on our YouTube channel. To give the correct answer to this question, you need to know that the word cent takes S only in multiples of 100. For instance, in French, 200 is written like this. But 250 is written like this. One more thing, be careful. Even if we add S at the end of cent, we don't pronounce it.
Et voilà, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui les amis. Thank you for watching us.
We hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like this video and not to miss our next quiz, subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell to get notification when our video is available.
Our next video will be about French pronunciation, so keep following us. If you are our VIP member to keep learning French in a fun way, we are waiting for you in the private area on our website. To be our VIP member and to get access to all of our videos and ebooks of French with Love Season 1, please visit our website and get our ultimate pack. To get more details about our products, please visit www.frenchwithlove.com.
So, that's it for today. Till next time, stay with love!